Come on, get up. Let's learn some useful phrasal verbs using get. Hi, I'm Steve, and this is Single Step English. In this lesson, we will learn how to use the verb get in a phrase. We call this a phrasal verb. There is a verb with an adverb or preposition. The first two examples are often used for riding the bus. You can say, get on the bus. Come on, let's get on the bus. And when you arrive at your bus stop, you get off the bus. You can also use this for the train. You get on the train and you get off the train. The next get phrasal verb is get over. This can be used for two situations. One is to overcome a difficult or troubling situation. For example, you and your boyfriend or girlfriend have an argument or quarrel. After the argument, you are very angry at them. You complain to your friend about it, and you're constantly complaining about this for many, many days. Your friend listens at first, but then thinks that your situation is not that bad. So your friend may say to you, you need to get over it. Or a shorter way that your friend could say this, or you could use it, is to say, get over it. It's not that bad. You can also use this if you and your girlfriend or boyfriend split up or broke up. If that is the situation, maybe your friend will invite you to go out. They can say, you need to get over her, or you need to get over him. Or, don't you want to get over him? Your friend is asking you to stop thinking about your relationship with your ex-girlfriend or ex-boyfriend. Hey, how long did it take you to get over your first girlfriend or boyfriend? If you would like to share, write it in the comment section below. The other use for get over is to recover from a sickness or bad event. For example, I am trying to get over influenza. I'm trying to get over the flu. You use the phrasal verb get out when you want someone to leave a place. If you are really angry, you can yell the words, get out. Get out of here. Get out. When I was a boy, we had a dog. And if we fed the dog people food, from our dinner plates, a few hours later, while we were all watching TV, the dog would fart. The smell was really, really bad. We would look at each other and say, it wasn't me. Then we realized it was the dog. My father would say, get out, to the dog. It was such a good dog that it would leave the room. You can also use get out as a slang expression. For instance, if a friend tells you really surprising information, you might answer with get out. For example, I won the lottery. Get out. Or you could also say, get out of here. I did not win the lottery. In fact, I never buy lottery tickets. The next example is get up. If you are sleeping, lying down, or sitting, someone may say, get up. That means you should stand up. Maybe it is a nice sunny day at 10 a.m. and you call your friend on the phone. But your friend is still asleep. You say, come on, it's a beautiful day. Get up, let's do something. The opposite meaning for get up is get down. If you are standing and something may hit you, someone may say, get down. Lower your head. Watch out. Get down. That means be careful. And the next example is,
get down!
Oh! We can also add the word to the end of get down to make it a 3-word phrasal verb. Get down to. This means that you are ready to start something seriously. Maybe at the start of a meeting, you have small talk and you ask a few personal questions. Then you can say, okay, let's get down to business. Let's get down to it, which means let's start talking about serious business. The next example is get in. We get in a car. We get in a taxi. We get in a truck or a van. Many students have trouble understanding the difference between get in and get on. And it is a little confusing. Why do we get in a car, but we get on a bus? We get on a train, we get on an airplane. When you get in a car, you get directly into a seat. You are sitting like I am here. But we get on a bus. We get on a train or an airplane. When you get on a bus, a train, or an airplane, you walk around inside and then take a seat. If you have a small boat, you can say, get in the boat. You get into your seat right away. But if you are going on a cruise, on a very large boat, you say that you get on the boat. First, you walk around, just like a bus, a train, or an airplane. Get along. She and I get along. We are good friends. Another way to say this is get on with. I get along with my classmates. He gets along with his brother. All right, the next example is get away. How about if you just made a cake? Then you see that your dog is about to eat the cake. You can say, hey, get away from the cake. Get away from there. Don't touch the cake. Not a good day for the family dog. First, they had to get out, and now they have to get away. Another way to use the expression get away is to tell someone to stay away from you. Get away from me. If some strange person is following you on the street, you can say, get away from me. It is much stronger than the expression get out. So don't use it unless it's absolutely necessary. Our last get phrasal verb is get around. This means information or news spreads or travels quickly. News stories can get around so quickly. News can start at one place and quickly travel around. Another way to use this is to describe the movement of a person. For example, my uncle is 80 years old, but he can still get around. He can still walk, and he can drive a car. He can get around by himself. Here's another use of get around. It's used to avoid something. Some businesses will try to get around the new tax law. They will try to find a way to not pay taxes. Now, There is another negative way to use get around. You could say, he gets around, or she gets around. This means that the person has many girlfriends or boyfriends. They have many lovers. It is not a nice way to describe someone. In this lesson, we learned many useful phrasal verbs using the word get. Practicing these will help you speak more natural English. Please click the like button and share this video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. The next example is...
Get down! Get up.
Ooh.
Get down.
Get down, get down.